Good morning, YouTube. I'm going to vlog on Turkey Day.
Most of the optometry students are American, but 70% female, and probably I'm not sure how many are. We've got a good number of Indian students and faculty. And then the usual mixture, like you'd have at U of M. At the U, I mean.
Turtle power right there, and of course there's Leo, Ralph,
and
Mickey.
Yep, that makes sense to me.
Yeah.
I guess I'll say what I've noticed personally is I don't personally notice as many like Middle Eastern people,
Mm-hmm.
but we do have a very sizable.
This is the brand new balloon in the parade this year.
At least Chinese, if not
Oh yeah.
somewhat a bit of Korean and Japanese as well. I
Yep.
fully admit that I'm not versed enough to know which communities exist.
Mm-hmm.
But that East Asian population is significant, at the very least this year.
He's getting a movie.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Dragon Ball Super Broly is coming early next year, and
So yes, we've got pretty decent diversity.
When he came by, I even looked over my shoulder. And so beautiful.
Oh, these drumsticks look good. So what about you? Did you get invited anywhere?
Well, Griffin Green did invite me, but I've chosen to stay in Minneapolis just because of
Mm-hmm.
a little bit of time, a little bit of some weather stuff that may
Yeah, let's get this video started, shall we?
Other than that, nothing for the day of, but we'll get together with some people over the weekend.
All right. Sounds good.
What were you going to ask me? Do you remember?
When are you coming home?
I'll be home for a week during Christmas.
Are you going to move in?
Nope,
Oh, you guys got a
just visiting.
Cute. We're having an ostrich. Get 3 months of wireless for just $20 at Mint Mobile.
I'll visit you, and sometimes you'll visit me.
Yep.
Sundays.
Anything else you want to ask me?
I'm vlogging right now.
Wild times.
Mm.
Yeah, as soon as he saw us struggling with the turkey, he got out the video.
Yeah, YouTube. I like to make sure you have excitement. Right, Daddy?
Right.
People like...
So, how is your new school going, Joshua?
Wait till you come out chasing you.
So what activities are you involved in?
The thespian.
Yeah, so he's involved with the thespians, and he gets to go to a conference
America in color. New episode.
this coming Thursday afternoon through Saturday, and I get to go too.
What is it for?
It's actually the state conference. So we'll get to see different schools present their plays, and there are workshops we get to attend.
For adults with moderately to severely active Crohn's disease.
Since I really wasn't involved in that, I'll have to let you know. It's kind of all new to me.
That'll be interesting, yeah. We didn't have anything of the sort back in upstate.
Very true. And it's basically a theater group, but In Iowa, they certainly called them thespians, so it's a more, I'll say, national
Talk to your doctor today.
type of thing.
Learn how Jansen can help you explore
Interesting.
Yeah, but I'm trying to think of what. You think of how you would relate.
and make the holidays even happier.
It's a little bit like barber shoppers.
We're having an
So you could have, like, Dubuque has a barber shop
Here is some ads.
chorus,
3 days is really fast. The dentist is gonna
and
be
barber shop is not only national but international.
is a game
But you certainly could go
Thank
to
you
a
for
place that didn't have it.
See you in the next
So I'm kind of
Part
relating
2
it to that. I don't know
Thanksgiving
if I'm
vlog.
totally on the mark or
I'll
not,
catch you
but-
in the next vlog. Bye.